Hi there, I'm Anna Cooling. Over the years, I've had the great pleasure of interacting with a huge number of traders and investors. And what I've discovered is that many of them came incredibly close to reaching their goals. Yet all they needed to achieve the success they deserved was a little extra help. In other words, an old-fashioned helping hand. From my experience, I've identified a limited number of reasons why traders and investors fail to reach their full potential. One is a lack of consistency with their strategies, or maybe a lack of understanding of the importance of aligning their approach with their personality. Fortunately, in my extensive 25 years of trading and investing, I've encountered these issues before. I've seen them, understood them, and fixed them. This gives me the confidence to say that your challenges are not insurmountable. That's why I'm inviting you to schedule a strategy call with me or a member of my team. This call will be a valuable opportunity for us to delve into your trading and identify those factors that might be impeding your progress. Together, we'll devise strategies and create solutions to overcome these obstacles and propel you towards your goals. As an educator, I'm dedicated to supporting your success. So, if you're ready to take the next step, click the button below to complete our no-risk assessment. I'm truly excited to join you on this journey. My commitment is to help you not just achieve your goals, but also surpass them. Your success is my success, and I'm here to support you every step of the way.